everyone, welcome back to another video. In today's video we're going to do something a little bit different. Now this is something I learned from my aunt who was over there in Grenada, and she swore blind by this cocoa porridge, so we're going to try it today. Now guys, if you want to continue watching, you know the drill. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, comment if you like it, and subscribe to our channel if you haven't already. Let's get straight into this one. All right, so to our pot here we're going to add in some salt, our cinnamon stick and bay leaf, as well as our cardamom seeds. You can leave all of those flavors to release in the pot before adding anything else. All right, here I have a pound of coco yam. What I did before was to just wash it to remove the excessive dirt on it. Yeah, so right now we're going to peel it. And as usual, you want to make sure whenever you're dealing with any starchy food, ground provision, you want to make sure you have some water just to not let them oxidize on you. And of course, you have to pay homage to our friends over there in Grenada. Yes, because this is their recipe. We're just only trying it as Jamaicans, all right? And this is my first time trying it. I'll be honest with you guys. My mom had it, my aunt had it, and they both say it's good, so why not give it a try myself, right? That's the beauty about our culture and different cultures, that we get to try each other's food. Yes. Alright guys, what I'm going to do is to just change the water, give these a little rinse off, and then return. Alright guys, so pretty much we're going to puree the cocoa. And I'm using my food processor. You can use a blender, you can use a grater, anything you have that can puree this. We want to treat the coco yam as if we're doing plantain or banana porridge. So you have to puree those things first, and that's what we're doing now. Adding our cocoa puree to our pot. So far so good guys, it's very creamy. I like how it looks already. This is the first 10 minutes guys, and as you can see it starts to get a little bit thick, so you want to make sure you constantly stir it. Now we're going to add in our coconut milk. And of course, at this point, I'm just going to allow everything to just come together and cook. And what I'm going to also do is to just make a little bit of slurry with my whole wheat flour. Now guys, if you don't want to use the flour, you can always use oats flour, spelt flour, buckwheat flour, any other flour that's out there that you're comfortable with, you can use it. Now guys, with what's left of the coconut milk, this is my slurry that I'm going to be using, and I don't think I need so much. So you can use like a tablespoon or two, depending on the consistency that you're looking for. And remember, anything that you're going to add to heat, you cannot just add it like that. You have to dissolve it first before you add it to your the porridge, right? And this way you prevent lumping. And of course, as you add your slurry, you want to make sure you're continually mixing the porridge, right? You want to make sure that the flour in the porridge is cooked, because you don't want anybody to taste it and taste that raw flour taste. So all of our flavors and the flour have to cook thoroughly. No lumps. Take note of that, guys. No lumps. And we're cooking this now on medium to low heat. This is also to prevent any accident from the porridge bubbling over. And if you're not so versed with making porridge, medium to low heat, right? You don't want to rush it, because you know accidents do happen. You don't want your porridge to be lumpy. Now what I'm going to do now, guys, is to just finish off with some more spice. So now I'm going to add in some vanilla essence, some almond essence, and I do like to finish off with some nutmeg. It just gives the porridge a nice fresh taste. And of course, you sweeten to taste, and you can sweeten with whatever sweetener of your choice. There you have it, guys, a nice pot. And let me tell you something, guys, this is so tasty. It blew my mind away. My son come back and wanting more. My porridge here, guys, is the bomb. I'm telling you, you have to give this a try. Make sure you do and tell me how you like it, guys. I'm honestly blown away. Honestly, this is so good. Not lying to you guys, this is absolutely good. I'd make this more often in my household. And of course, all my lovely spices, the cardamom, oh my god, the nutmeg. Guys, I can't even describe the taste. I can't say it tastes like plantain porridge or banana porridge. It's nothing close, but it's so good. So good. Thank you so much for watching this video. Until next time, bye.